everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with my Boxycharm Premium unboxing for the month of June. I actually got my premium box pretty quickly, but my base box is not even shipped yet. Anyways, we'll jump into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup related, unboxings, try-ons, reviews. Unfortunately, I did have surgery recently and I'm having some complications, so I have been unable to be in the video with makeup on right now. So we are just going to be unboxing, kind of trying the products as we see them, and then once I'm able to put makeup on, I actually will do some reviews on what I've thought about some of these products and what are my favorites that I've gotten over the past couple of months. So let's jump in. The premium for this month, so Boxycharm Premium is there. We are going to go ahead and open it right up, and the theme for this month is Dare to Dazzle. I do like the front of this card, super cool, very beautiful colors on there, but my premium box to me seems a little sparse. And I kind of have been disappointed with my premium boxes over the past couple of months. So the first thing on here, of course, is, or that I see right away, is Lashaholic. These are luxury lashes. And it says that these are super lightweight and ultra fluffy fibers on a soft cotton band, allows for style to meet comfort, made with a layered, light crisscross pattern and tapered ends, leaving you the ultimate natural glam look. Retail value $15.99. This is a new launch. I do think they're pretty. Let's take them out of the packaging real quick. This is made from 100% premium silk. So it's supposed to be soft and fluffy. That out of the way, and I'm going to go ahead and open it so we can see them just a little bit closer out of the packaging. And so there they are. They are really, really long and dramatic. They are very fluffy. I do think the band seems a little bit thick. I like just a little thinner bands, but I'm hoping that it'll be nice and easy to use. They definitely look big, so I am quite sure I will have to cut those down, but we will check those out. The style is called Kiss Me. The Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in Kiss Me. Okay, I can't close that. Anyways, the next thing I have is the One Size Secure the Blur Hydrating Under Eye Patches. There are 6 pairs in here. Yes, I am for real. There are only 6 pair in here. And let's read about this. These are super-sized under-eye patches that help hydrate, depuff, and reduce the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and texture. $25 is the retail value. I am going to open this up and just take a peek at the packaging real quick. And I do think the packaging is pretty. Again, 1 pair is in here. They're supposed to be bigger than normal, so they cover a larger amount of the area for your under eye, which I do like. It does say on here, warning, avoid direct contact with eyes. Discontinue use if signs of irritation appear. So I'm not sure what I think about that. Leave on for 15 minutes, pat serum into skin. So there we go. Next thing in here is from Floss. And I know this is a lip and cheek tint. And so Floss Beauty, the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. A hydrating cheek and lip tint for an effortless beauty vibe, formulated for convenience and ease of use. These weatherproof, no brush needed tints blend seamlessly into skin for all-day wear. Apply directly onto cheeks and lips and blend with the tip of your fingers. $22 is the retail value. It says never tested on animals, which I do like. It is in the color Sandals. Let's open this up and check out the packaging. So there it is. Looks like a tube of lipstick with the floss. It is very, very high shine. It's kind of almost slick to touch. And so I assume, oh no, it's screw off. I was thinking it was clip on. Screw off. There is the color. It is a beautiful color. So you can see right there. Let's see what this blends out like. And so it does blend out pretty easily. It leaves a very nice flush of color, a very good no makeup look right there. It'll be interesting. I'll be curious to see how long it lasts, especially being that emollient. But there you go. Next product. Next product. I kind of am disappointed by this product. While I know that eye creams tend to be a little smaller, I don't know, I just don't think that this is a premium box thing. This is the Ma Plum Eye Cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. This eye cream contains quinoa extract, colloidal oats, and vitamin C, all of which work to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Retail value $39. I don't know. Wah wah is kind of, it is sealed, which I do appreciate. Let's take the seal off and see what it actually looks like. Oh, that is sealed pretty good. I had to use my teeth. Let's put just a drop right there. Plain white cream. Let's see what it feels like. It is pretty emollient, although it does feel like just regular lotion. I don't know that it feels like an eye cream per se. It has a little bit of a smell. I can't put my finger on it. Oh, I just put my nose. Kind of perfumey, but not really. And you can see I am still rubbing, and this is not soaking in at all. I'm not sure what it would be like under your eye. This may be something that is not good for under makeup. It does seem like it kind of sits on top of the skin versus sinks in. So I don't know about that. Next product. This is the product that I think is kind of crazy. This is Skin Regimen. This is the 1.85 HA Booster, a hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin, lock in moisture at various levels, and restore optimal levels of hydration. Free from silicones and synthetic fragrances, 99.2% natural origin ingredients. Retail value $115. So with hyaluronic acid, of course, there has to be some kind of moisture there to begin with, because the hyaluronic acid kind of pulls the moisture in and plumps everything and attracts moisture. They do say that having the micro and the macro, so the smaller molecules and the bigger molecules, you penetrate your skin to a different depth and provide better overall hydration. So I do appreciate that. I do think, though, for the product ingredients and the product itself, $115 is significantly overpriced. I mean, that is just crazy. The bottle is beautiful. Nice black tint. It is real glass, dropper formula. It says apply a few drops to face, blend, follow by cream. I'm going to put it on my other side of my, and I don't know if you guys saw that. It kind of is sealed right there at the bottom of the cap, like kind of a Coke bottle-ish. Serum is completely clear. We're going to go ahead and drop it right onto my hand right there. It is a nice thick serum, which typically hyaluronic acids, especially ones that are more hyaluronic, are thicker. It does blend into the skin. There's not much of a smell. Let's see if I can read these ingredients. I feel like there's some kind of alcohol in here, but I could be completely incorrect. And I can't see any, but it kind of feels that way on the skin. It is still sitting on the skin just a little bit, but it's starting to sink in some there. Not a bad serum at all, just a super dang expensive one. And the last product I received is the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I love the outside of it. I think it's beautiful. Dominique Cosmetics Transitions Palette is what it's called. Retail value is $48. So let's break into this and take a look at it. transition palette right on the front. Beautiful feel. It's kind of a rubberized texture, or it's kind of a flat texture instead of like a shiny one. We're going to go ahead and open it. Beautiful, beautiful big mirror right there. I do love that. And the nice big pans of all the eyeshadows. It looks like all of them are matte. There are no shimmers in this that I can tell, which is kind of nice. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch this chai color right on my arm. A little chalky, but pretty in color. Let's do this coal right here. We'll swatch that. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Kind of a brown black. And then I am going to do this pink one, soft and sweet, because that's a good transition color for me, and it goes on there nice. Dominic Cosmetics eyeshadows, I think, for me at least, tend to be a little more chalky and a little harder for me to blend than some other eyeshadow formulas, but they are nice. I'm not saying they're bad at all. So that was my premium box. Again, kind of disappointed with the premium box over the past month or two. I definitely don't like all of the products that I've received. Again, this month I have 1, 2, 3 out of the 6 is skincare. Then this is kind of, it is makeup, but it's kind of a tint. This is more of a tool than anything. So one really in particular makeup product. I expect more from a Boxycharm, especially the premium. I don't know, that's just my opinion. What do you guys? I'm not exactly sure where my recording stopped recording, but I was saying drop me a line, let me know what you guys think, what you got, what you're super excited to see, or what you would like to see me try from all of these products. Thank you so much for joining me today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.